I'm live. I'm live on Facebook. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I also want to say Juma Mubarak, Juma Mabsut. I hope all of you guys had an amazing time last night. Sorry guys, let me just come back. Okay, I'm back. So I wanted to share something that is I'll try as much as possible not to use any. I am trying to teach people. Now, all of us grew up, it doesn't matter where your mom comes from, if she's born in Kenya, if she's born somewhere. We always taught to be strong, to, to just be there, like, to feel shameful. So a lot of girls experience a lot of problems when they're growing up because hoyo in Kenya, our mothers, they feel ashamed to talk about certain topics, which actually makes a lot of girls out there to make a lot of mistakes. I'm telling you guys, Kabdahan, they suffer a lot. And I wanted to create awareness out there, to people that are watching. If they're girls that are my fans and they're young, always protect yourself. Now, these niggas that come from America, Europe, whatsoever, I'm talking to girls that are in Somalia and Kenya because this is so common. A lot of the females there, they love money so much to the extent that, they just lie to them and marry them for a couple of months. This nigga has a wife in America, he sleeps with you, he takes advantage of you, you don't know where he's coming from. Maybe the only thing you have is his picture. Now, if you have somebody's picture, that doesn't mean that you know the person or you're gonna find the person. And okay guys, okay, anyways, most of you guys, I have never seen in a Somali culture where people, when they're about to get married, they go get tested for HIV, AIDS, and also STDs. Now, this is something that I want us to be very careful with, because most of the times we Somalis look at each other like, oh my God, we are perfect, just because we're in a country that, maybe HIV is not that serious, but things like STDs is very, very serious, So somebody will come to you and tell you, waan ku gursan rabaa, cudurooyin badan buu leeyahay. Maybe he has STDs, and you as a girl that just wants somebody that's from America or whatever, you agree to marry this person, always get tested, always get tested. Or if people that are having zina or sex outside marriage, I know there's a lot of us out here. If you're having sex before marriage, make sure that you use a condom. Make sure that this guy uses a condom. Do not have sex. Do not have unprotected sex. I repeat, do not have unprotected sex. Okay, so this is what I was saying, guys, okay? Most of the times we say, oh, wa Somali, cudur ma qabo, he's clean, just because the rate of HIV/AIDS in Somalia is so low does not mean that kakale that are living outside Somalia are not sick. So make sure that you always use a condom. I have a condom here, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works, okay? There are different sizes of condoms, depending on your penis. If you have a big goose, you have to get an extra large condom, okay? Gabdaha ifirinan, just because aku iman o kudahaya Somali banahay wan kugursanaya clean banahay weligegi qof ma wasin, he's trying to act virgin with you. Do not accept that. That badan abukan. They're very sick people out here. Necessarily ma ahani na noqoto cudurki xuma. There's STDs. STDs is very bad, walalial. If you get infected with an STD and you are a female, there's a possibility that you will not be able to have kids. You know, you have to be very serious. Just because this guy, you know, is Somali does not mean that you don't have to get tested. Test him, you know. Tell him, let's go get tested. Markan test gareno. Once kursanena. For the people that are having sex before marriage, it's okay. It's normal. I mean, me, I don't mind. I've had sex before getting married. It's not a big deal. But I'm just saying this. For people that will be having sex before marriage, make sure you use protection, okay? If this nigga wants to fuck you, tell him we have to use protection. If he wants to fuck you raw, make sure that he gets a condom. Now, this is what they call a condom. I'm going to show you guys, okay? This is very important because we Somali people do not look at things that way. We feel like, oh, we are the perfect race. Okay, we are Muslims. Okay, we are not sick. There's a lot of Somali people that are HIV positive and they have STDs. So if you don't take care of your life, you will have a lot of consequences, you know. Thank you so much, Fahmo. So gabdhaha firinayaan nin hadduu kusoo doonayo dhakhtarka gee isi soo baara, you know, adiga you're sure about your status. Make sure that he also proves to you inuu wiil fiican yahay, because nimankeena mado wax kasta way wasaan outside there. They come to you, dhilooyin bay qaataan, way la seexdaan. Nimanka Somaliyeed are the most racist niggas I've ever seen. Ayagana, they still fuck around. You know, madogan udur badan bay leeyihiin. I'm just saying, you know. So make sure to always use protection. Now I'm gonna show you how a condom looks like. For people that do not know how a condom looks like, I'm gonna show you guys. And be careful. Don't say that Somali people are not sick. We are sick. Somali people are sick. Somali people have STDs. There's Somali people that have herpes. There's Somali people that have HIV/AIDS, you know. So before you go through that situation, use a protection. If haduku dahawanku gursana hadanku nikahsanaya, always tell him ansiso barno misa protection ka ansticmalno. You know, even the protection is not even 100% sure. Make sure you check the guy. You know, there's a lot of girls in Nairobi and Somalia. Like, I heard a lot of stories, Gabdaha Choga in Somalia, Kenya. Most of them are young, you know, their parents, you know, life is hard in Nairobi. I've been in Nairobi. So these niggas come to them, you know, Gabdihi Shishe Barten, you know, they want to go out, they want to do this, they want to do that. They bring them... they take them to places gabdaha, you know, since they want some money, since they want some shisha, they want some things, they end up having sex, you know, with these people. And I'm telling you, these people will lie to you. I'm clean. Aniga Somali barahay. Aniga mahay malenesa. I have not done anything. Eh? Also, yeah, somebody saying I would like to encourage, I would like for you to encourage people to marry and do it halal way. Yes, walalo, but you need to remember that we are not perfect. You know, we are not perfect. A lot of people that are watching here, none of you guys are virgin. You know, everybody at some point in their life, they lose their virginity for some reasons. It could be kasi, it could be that you're in love with somebody, it could be that somebody took advantage of you, it could be that you was raped. So it's all together. So I'm saying this, please, nagahena, nin haduku imado, make sure that he wears this. Make sure. And you have to check that it's not broken. I really want to see Somali people having this mentality that if I am getting married today, I should be able to go to the hospital with my husband, get tested for HIV/AIDS and STDs, and make sure that we are both clean, you know, just to be contented, you know, just to be sure that, okay, he's clean just like me. So in case one of you guys start cheating outside and one of you guys gets sick or both of you get sick, you will know who messed up. Instead of him finding you're innocent, you don't know nothing, please take away the mentality that Somali people are not sick. They are sick. They are sick. I'm telling you guys, they are sick. And this is what a condom is. Let me show you guys. For people that don't know, let me show you guys how it looks like. Should I use my mouth to open this? Because I have nails. It's kind of hard. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to try to open with my hand so I can show my sisters how a condom looks like. There are so many people that are ignorant, that don't know what a condom is. Hold on, guys. You see, Somali men are being defensive on my live broadcast because they know themselves. They like to have sex left, right, and center, and they don't use protection. Allah, dadka ugu kacsiga badan adduunkan aan arkay waa Somali iyo Hindi. I don't know. Guskooda gacantay ku hayaan. That's very nasty. You can't come here and start talking shit. You know, they feel defensive. They act defensive because they know what they lie to these women. Walalayal, gabdahay firinaan. I'm telling you, be very careful with these guys. Be careful. Be careful. These people are sick out here. You have to take care of yourself. Otherwise, you're gonna end up sick too. Now, what are you gonna do when you find out that you're sick and you were innocent the whole time? This nigga, oh my God, this condom cannot open. You know, I'm using halgaan and I have fake nails. The fuck? Okay, I'm about to get it. I want to show you guys how a condom looks like. This is the moment everybody's waiting for. Alaba aye. So this is how. What the fuck? What's wrong with this condom? Did this thing expire? Hold on, guys. I just opened it. It seems expired or something. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys. This is how a condom looks like. For people that don't know what a condom is, this is how it looks like. It's like a balloon. You know what I mean? So, Watana, this is how a condom looks like. Make sure to protect yourselves. Somali guys are sick out here. They should never infect you with their diseases, you know? This is how a condom looks like. Let me first do this. I wish I had a banana though. It would be a nice practical. Oh my God. So guys, this is how a condom looks like, okay? Oh my God, I wish I had a banana. I would put a banana in here. So, nimankena webukan idin sirin ben idin ishegin. I know a lot of nagoin commission kuchira or lakaba. Most of you girls got married to your husbands without getting tested. I am 100% sure. Yes, maybe they are not sick. Maybe they don't have HIV/AIDS, but they could have an STD. So if you are sitting in your house today with your husband, ask him to go get tested for HIV/AIDS, to get tested for, oh my God, this feels so good. It feels good, wallahi. It's so ticklish. Make sure that, you know, they get tested because these people are sick. Okay, so this is really interesting. So Ibnu says we have seen a lot of cases where the man was a victim of an infected woman. Of course, I'm not saying that it's only a man that does that, but you know, Somali bitches, Somali women always act holy and shit when they're dealers of the century. Anyways, it happens too. There's a lot of Somali chicks that are sick that they don't even know their their status. when somebody starts getting sick, it doesn't start immediately. It takes time. It could take up to 10 years for you to know that you're really sick, you know? It takes time. You could sit normal and be fine and everything. Kumba, you're sick. So make sure that you get tested. Go get tested for HIV/AIDS. Go get tested for, you know, all those STDs. There's a lot of STDs out there that some, you know, have even some hard names I can't even say. But just make sure that you get tested. This is amazing. So okay, so Ibn says, what if she's infected? If she's infected, I feel like blowing this thing, but it's kind of wet. I don't want to get sick. But this is how a condom looks like, guys. Okay, Said says, call me. I can help you translate. Okay, I'm gonna try call you while I... So pick up. I'm inviting somebody to my live condom every day. Hello.
Hello, salaam alaikum abayo.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
waa fiican maasha Allah in barnaamijka inaan kala qayb qaataan rabay xoogaa ma aha uun dee in xanuunka kaliya lagu soo koobo laakiin arrimaha familiga oo sida la isku guursanayo sidaas dee systemku ku bilaamayo in maxay tu marka hore dadku iska helaan isteeskareeyaan caafimaadka kaliya important ma waxyaabo badan baa u baahan in laga hadlo
walaalo wax badan wala u baahan yahay in lagu hadlo laakiin the first thing dadka in sameeyaan waa baaritaan because hooyooyinkeena iyo aabaheena waxay Soomaaligeygii waa chachab waxay noqdaan shy ha way ka cabsanayaan inay ilmahooda sex education siiyaan, you know. Aniga horta hooyadaydi sex education ima siinin despite ayada Kenya ku dhalatay iyo everything, laakiin way cabsanaysay inay timaado markan aqaan gaaray inay la fadhiisato ay sheegto ninkan hadduu ku taabto hadduu waxaan sameeyo ur baa yeelan kartaa dadka bukaan banaankaas, you have to be careful, you know, wasmada ha sameynin ilaa aad guursatid, you know, those type of things wax aad u muhiimsan in our lives. Laakiin Soomaalida kama hadlaan except dadka oo educated or people that live in, you know, Western countries, but Somalia I don't think they do that.
in horta Soomaaliya is like real Muslim marka waxyaabo badan oo isku khaldan baa jira xagga diintii xaggi waxyaabo badan oo isbuurinaya jira marka in nidaamkii qoyska in dadka marka hore isguursanaya ay marka hore hadii ay soo tees gareeyaan hadii isla noolaan karaan kadib ay guurkooda sii wataan continuous laakiin hadii dadkii isku soo maxay tooy ana hore la isku sii tees gareyn waxna maxay too la sii wada fiirin maxay too waxyaabo badan hadhow dhib ka imaanaya.
Exactly. So the bottom point is dadka inay iska test gareeyaan ee ogaadaan caafimaadkooda, right? That should be the first thing.
taas waa first waa muhiim taasi first weeyaan waa muhiim qofku inuu caafimaadkiisa aad iska eegtid first intaanad u galmoon marka labaad in maxay tahay xagga jil dareenka systemka Soomaalida aad buu u khaldan yahay gabadhii sanad walba way iska dhalaysaa adduunka ma jiro qof sanad walba dhalaya in habkii systemkii dhalmada maxay tahay caruurta laftigoodii 2 or 3 is okay ma hadee 9 11 qof kasta iska soo dhalo.
Okay, but how is Dalitanka connected to this situation? Ariga awareness ban samena concerning dadkeena, most of them waxay sheegaan mabuka cudurka xuma ma hayaan iyo STDs iyo waxaas. So it's not about ilmaha la dhalayo for now, but we are talking about cudurada, you know, that is sexual transmitted disease and waxaas. But thank you so much. Qofka la soo qabanaya that is understanding the topic, but thank you so much Walala for time kaga waqti gaga and everything. I appreciate it.
Yes, adigana mahadsantahay. Thank you very much also.
Hi, walalo. So, guys, who knows what I'm talking about? I want somebody that's educated, somebody that feels like, yes, Shanty Kabir, today what you're saying is right. To, we Somali people, we need to be able to test ourselves even when we are married. Let it be, something that we do regularly. After every 6 months or every year, let's go get tested, baby. You need to tell your spouse about that. So I want somebody that's educated, somebody that understands what I'm talking about, somebody that has been watching from the beginning, somebody that can help me, because af Somaliga igu chachab. I want qof or af Somaliga igu turchumi karo fanskaygi oo iga firsana meshan runta u sheegaya, because condom is something that we need. Hada lana gursanin wali or an sex outside marriage samene no mise wasmada before we get married. Let's make sure that inans protect gareno, because this is very important. That's ka we demanan udurka we chokta we tala. We really need to think like how other people are thinking, because it's bad. There's no need for you to be sick when you have the ways to abstain, or avoid getting sick. And this is one of the solutions to not getting sick. It's a condom. I wish I had a banana. I would demonstrate how you put on a condom. Now, for guys that don't like having sex without without a condom, make sure that you yourself test yourself and test the girl, because sometimes it could be the girl that's sick. Make sure you get tested before you start sleeping around. So yeah, waxaan sheegay and gareeyay, and would love to come on my live broadcast, and Soomaalida oo dhan usii sheegi karaan. Now the problem I'm having right now, a lot of niggas are talking trash on my live. Well, like, you're very lucky because gacmahaygi is very slippery. I was gonna block each motherfucker, but you know what? Stay there. Okay, Nabil. Nabil wants me to call him. I'm gonna call Nabil. So Kwagalanyo wadinga wangana. Nasigalang closer. I just thought I called him. Wala. What yeah, pick up your phone, nigga. Okay, who wants me to call them? Because this is very important. Like, we really need to know how to use condom Somalida. Anaga ugu wasmo badan adunkan. We produce kids left, right, and center. You know, niman kena they fuck a lot. They're here. They're unsuroin. Mesha na kuchogan kulaha aniga zina masameyo. Well, zina da diga ugu wait. Stupid your hole. Habari ndo hiyo jameni, nawambia kama hamjui kutumia condom, tafadhali, hii ni kitu muhimu sana kwa maisha ya kibinadamu. Make sure umetumia condom yako ukilala na mwanamke ama mwanaume. Protect yourself. This is what it's called, sex education. Everybody gets sick out there, and you might not even know. Wezi jua kama wewe ni mgonjwa ama wewe sio mgonjwa. So make sure ujipime, ujue hali yako. So who wants to talk? Allah Faye Dunkal Sahal. That's my boo boo. What's up, girl? But guys, at least somebody has to agree with me. Somali men are the people that brings problems to Gabdehena. Most of the girls are okay. There's some bitches, but like most of Gabdaha, they're innocent. Like in Nimankan, they're the ones silkasta siwasa. They go, aniga, mado, lama se hankaro. Well, the dillo that is on the street, buso gadania, habenki odan buwase. Then it's like, aniga, mado, I don't fuck with mado. You don't fuck with mado. A Somali bitch refused to give you her pussy. That's why it's really hard for you to sleep with her. Then you find mother chick that you fucked left, right, and center, and you're like, here, anaka gabdehena or mother galaswadan. We don't like them. When you guys are the ones who, after that letter, at least even gabdhaha that are, dating mother. Idinka, Diloinka that are on the streets, but so gather time. You pay them $10 and sleep with them. Kuwasa wuhun. Oof. Okay, so who needs for me? Because I really need to go. It's Friday. I need to go. I need to go. Okay, so I'm calling somebody. His name is Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, please, Walalo, pick up your phone. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me? Hello?
Tata,
Nabat.
أخبار؟
So what do you have to say about this? Mahaka shegi karta wahan ankahadle. The topic today.
والله waxaad ka hadlayso kulli waa sax.
Mm-hmm.
Everything you're saying, I agree with you 100%. يعني I don't disagree with you at all يعني.
Okay, what is it that you agree with? What you think people should improve?
Everything that the Somali men are doing, wax alla wixii nimanka Soomaali ay sameynooyin waa wax qalad. So they should use protection.
Yeah, they should
Shaydaan
use
baa
this.
jiro.
People that don't know what this is, Aniga, I'm ready to distribute it to people, like if they want. But also, I have a question for you, Alalo. I think today, let's say Gabad Barata Inat Kursatil today or tomorrow. What do you think you should do before you marry that girl?
Check up.
Check up, right?
waa in la isbaaro saaxiib adduunka aaminaad malaan saaxiib waa in la isbaaro aniga isbaaro iid la baaro kadib la isguursado.
Okay, so let's say Gabadas Hadi an HIV ga mise cudurka xun is negative. Lakin STDs waxa la yiraahdo, sexual transmitted
wax la daaweyn karo waa STDs wax la daaweyn karo waa it's not something yani it's gonna be there. HIV aan la daaweyn karin, STDs waa la daaweyn karaa.
Okay,
so aad garati ma
okay, so if she has STDs, you are already in a, continue with the marriage and just, sibtalka gaysid or treatment hesho. You ready for that?
humans make mistake. كلهم بنادم قطع بنادم خلط سمين ما جرته.
Oh, that's so good, Walalo. I fuck with you. I want that kind of mentality because nobody is perfect. So Mahan.
Nobody's perfect. Every human being on this earth sins. Quran ka lagu sheegay kullum bin aadan qata alle kullum bin aadan qata. No human being is perfect.
Exactly. And then the funny thing is the hypocrisy. Like Somali, that they're hypocrites. Like most of the time, they act like weligo that in a kof tawanin or was mosamenin. Mesha na we kuchiran. Don't call me. I'm on a live video. Again, in was mother is not okay for them. I mean, wahan where that is really okay. We all fuck, is part of life. Like in the way they put it, is like what has is not possible, like, and then here again dillo
Protection is better.
People are calling me. So you're saying protection
is better than cure.
Exactly. This is something that, by the way, waxaan lacag badan ma ahan, is very affordable and cheap. It has a liquid inside. It's gonna moisturize guskaga. You can have a smooth sex in case gabadas is not wet, and all that. We'll get back to that. But Walalo, thank you so much. I like your mentality, Gaga. MashaAllah, continue like that.
The problem is that sometimes also the women got a problem. Naga xataa marmarka qaarkood way dhib badan yihiin. Nimanka markay u tagayaan oo protection isticmaalayaan waxay dhahaan adiga yani nacnaca wax ma ku cuni kartaa maxaa la dhahay warqadiis ma ku cuni kartaa kalena. You understand me?
Yeah.
Can you eat the sweet with its cover? Yani they say, can you eat the sweet with its cover?
So gabdaha,
Does
they're
it
the
have a
ones who
taste
want
like that?
guska without a condom. They want to have a raw sex.
Of course.
Oh, that's nice. I didn't know. Well, they'll get sick malinta or duduga silko the kabahidono. That's when they'll respect what a protection is. There's a reason why it's recommended, you know. But anyways,
صح.
Valado, thank you so much. I'm gonna call one last person, then I'm gonna go. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. Gabdahena that are here that are saying da 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 da. As usual, you're good at judging people. I don't give a fuck. None of you guys pay my bills. I'm here to educate Somali people how to use protection and never ever saying to each other, oh, we are perfect, oh, we are this, we are that. Wahasodan, we need to put aside. Protect yourselves. Protect yourselves. Always use a condom. Don't let a nigga come from America or Europe or whatever come to you and tell you, um, you know, Uncle Gursana, then immediately you start having a raw sex. That is really bad. So somebody else, okay, I need to talk to Gabad because Gabdaha should also talk what they think. If there's any girl here that would like to talk, let me know. I'm gonna call. So who should I call? Oh my God, there are so many people saying call, call, call. Okay, I hope this one is lucky. Yeah, nimeona message yako dada. Okay, why is this guy not picking up? Okay, there's a bitch here calling me Dillo and all that. I'm gonna block her ass. Now the problem is that Somali women, we never want to uplift each other. I'm talking about something that's very important. I'm trying to share, something that's very, very important for our ladies, and somebody's calling me Dillo here. Are you kidding me? Adiga Dillo Tahai, Hoyadada was Hoyadada is the biggest Dillo that actually brought a Dillo like you into this world. I think you're the one who opens your legs every time you have unprotected sex. Why are people getting defensive? Do not come here and get defensive. You have to accept that we have to use protection. Unprotected sex is really bad and is very bad. Wallahi, please, when you find time, just go to YouTube and type this kind of STDs or these diseases and see duduga or silka ka imane yoguska till they really cut everything off. That's when you'll know that there are diseases out here that is very dangerous. That's when you just go to YouTube and watch those videos. Anyways, I need to talk to Gabad. Who's ready to talk? Let me find Qof or Aniga Kale Walan because most of the girls here were Shakyal and they're scared definitely of not getting a future husband because they're talking about condoms and sex. Aniga Ninka Gusan Dona, he knows what he's getting into. He knows Gabad Da'ad or Fi'an or Diamond and a high because it's really hard to find somebody as smart as me. I might be cuckoo, I might be crazy, but I'm a rare gem to find. Nobody is like me. My confidence, I can sell products that are even maybe, I don't know, I can very well, I can make you believe a lot of things. Now I have that power in me. Anyways, let's go ahead. Who wants to talk? Which girl would love to talk? You necessarily don't have to put your face on if you're scared. You can always stand the camera on the other side or put it on the bed and just talk. I need a girl that will be able to talk about this situation. I've seen a lot of cases that they're very innocent girls that get married to niggas and end up having HIV AIDS or even STDs. Now STDs is much, much, much common. So any girl that would love to talk about this? Oh no 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 no. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yes, Samira. Confidence is amazing. That's one asset that I'm very proud of. If I say today that I'm rich, I would say I'm rich because of my confidence. I am very confident, and it's really very rare to find. That's why you see a lot of Somali girls are always jealous of other girls, especially me, because they have low self-esteem. You know, when you have a low self-esteem, you'll have that, and you'll start seeing people in a negative way. So bitches, use a condom, because idinko dhan wala idin wasa. Make sure inaad waxaan isticmaashid. It's very affordable, very cheap. I wish I had a banana, I would have put it on.